hop in a blow up section. And I can put you in.
We're out here in Miami looking for the hoochie daddies.
I don't wanna make the same mistakes I did. I don't wanna fall back on my face again.
Rise and shine. It's 10 o'clock right now. Oh my gosh, we slept in. We're trying to figure out our outfits. I think I'm gonna do this skirt. I don't know. But we also gotta wear our all white fit too, so we can deck out with the hat, shades, and she got her white fit ready to go.
And the key and bag. Yes.
She and bags come in clutch.
Right.
Okay, we're gonna figure out what we're gonna wear and we're gonna get dressed. And we'll get back to you guys when we're all dressed. I need to put on like a bra because my tatas are hanging to the floor. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get ready. Need to take a shower, wash my face, brush my teeth, all that jazz. What the heck? Oh, my hair is so itchy. Need to brush out this monstrosity too.
Hope you're happy now. I wish I could bank on us, on us. You can get run by, run baby by. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play a little game with you. Cause if you wanna stay, then I'll you play. You playing with my heart, yeah, yeah, yeah. You playing with my heart. I think I know. I touch that fire for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. My bitch, give me a new.
We're ready to go for breakfast. It's technically brunch now because it's 11:42. But this is how the outfits are looking. Got the black skirt on. Tay got an all black fit on. She's gonna change the shoes to white shoes.
Yeah.
So we can match. And then, yeah, we're gonna go walk to IHOP, get some food, and then we're gonna plan out what we're doing today. But on the schedule today is Miami. We're about to turn up. We're gonna check out Kohl's because I've always heard about it, and I don't think we have those in Canada. No. We don't have Kohl's, so we're just gonna check it out. Marks, yeah. Oh, so it's like a clothing store. Oh, there's a Sephora. You can get your lash glue. This segment's gonna be our Sol de Janeiro sponsorship. We're testing out the new Sol de Janeiro SPF body spray.
Oh my god, I'm drop up on my camera.
So this is what it looks like. This one's this one's the perfume mist. Scratch that, perfume mist. And then this one is the SPF body spray. Face or no face?
No, what the fuck you put it on my face for?
Because we don't want to burn up on our face.
It's got my other leg.
Ew, this doesn't smell right.
Bitch, you make me smell like fucking nasty piece of shit.
Oh, I literally forgot the whole reason why I'm here. It's my birthday, so I'm gonna redeem my birthday Sephora gift.
83 on it.
I think we're gonna go with this one here.
Took it.
That right there. And she picked up her mascara and she's using 10% off she got from that nice lady. Pretty privilege pays off. Look, why is your face like that holding your phone? Thank you.
Let me give you another lip one.
Perfect. So they only had this one, not this one. But because I have, thank you. Because I have multiple accounts, Sephora, don't kill me. I'm gonna get the other one when I'm back in Canada and use my other Sephora accounts.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly.
And she put some samples in there. Look, she set us up nice. Okay, I think we're done. Time to go get some food. Time to get food. We're starving. That was fun. First school start. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, purchase.
No, we have motion in Florida. We have motion in Florida. Florida's been showing us the love. Like, this might be our home away from home. Like, this is our spot. We got big motion up in here. But yeah, we just did our Sephora run at Kohl's. We're making multiple stops, but we went into this grocery store called Publix, and y'all, look what I found. Everybody knows I love Fruits O. I love the ice brand. I love sparkling water. I've never seen these ones. I've seen this one, just the regular ice. But look, Starburst. Oh my gosh. I'm definitely grabbing one. It's cherry. Orange. I'm gonna get this one because I love pink Starburst. Okay guys, I picked up Starburst sparkling ice. Let's give it a try. My little brother's gonna be so jealous because I put my brother onto the ice sparkling water, but never Starburst flavor. Tastes like a pink freezy. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Y'all, Canada, fix up. We need this. Okay, for the 20th time, now on to breakfast. Guys, we finally got to IHOP. How long was that? Like 45 minutes?
We're going a 20-minute walk.
Oh yeah, it was a 20-minute walk. We were taking our sweet time, but we are ready to eat.
I'm trying the mango lemonade, American style.
Good? And I'm trying the American water.
This is spinach and mushroom.
Hydrating. We got our food, guys. Look at the spread. I'm ready to try this crap. Let's give it a try. Ooh. The crepe itself is really good, and then the icing sugar on.com. I am sweating. We finished with our food and now we are making our way down to Miami Beach. We are gonna try out Florida Transit, so wish us luck. This is gonna take time. Hello. Where do I put the fare? Okay, thank you. And how much is it? $2?
Yes.
Thank you. Do we have transfers?
You going on the Miami bus?
Yeah.
Miami?
Yeah. Thank you. Put it, slide it through the, it's $2. You slide it in there. There, yeah. And you're good to go. Yeah. Oh my gosh. No, we waited how long for this bus? Yeah. Decided to stop at the gas station before the bus comes, and I'm getting this slushie. We're gonna do green apple, wild cherry, watermelon. Snazz it up with some blue. Finish it off with green. There we go. We're officially in Miami. We're almost at Miami Beach, guys. We're in Miami!
Looking for my hoochie daddies.
We're out here in Miami looking for the hoochie daddies. Y'all, we're here, and guess what I saw? A Raising Cane's. I've been telling you guys this whole trip, like, I'm seeing things that I see online that we don't have. I've always wanted to try Raising Cane's. So definitely, who's honking up a storm? So I definitely gotta go check out that. But we're on our way to South Beach right now. We're in Miami, y'all. Like, we're literally in Miami. Like, I'm looking a little different. We're in our elements. I've been saying this whole trip, like, we're in motion here. You'll see how the cars pack up. It's like they're in the road. How was I supposed to know? Jeez. I feel like I lose you all the time. On our way to Miami Beach, y'all. South Beach. Oh, Bumba. We have to get away. Shoot, there's things that come this way? That's crazy. Oh, look at those towels. Me when I don't do my laundry for 2 weeks. This is so pretty. Welcome to Miami Beach. We're here. Oh my god. Miami Beach, yes. About to strip down, go in the water, take some flicks. Goodbye, Miami Beach. That is it for our Miami Beach trip. It looks like it's gonna rain. We didn't really go in the water just because of all this seaweed. I don't like touching it. She doesn't like touching it. But
First of all, I don't even go in the Lake Ontario, bro.
yeah, we gotta go. It's gonna lightning. That's lightning clouds. We are done at the beach. It's 8:06. Goodbye, Miami Beach. I had so much fun. during this trip. More things to come. We got a few things we're gonna do tomorrow as well to end off this trip. But right now we're gonna go to Raising Cane's. I'm excited for that. We're checking out Raising Cane's now. Let's go. And I'm like all sweaty. And it's packed. Let's go. Let's check it out. There's a whole DJ in here. There's a whole DJ in here. I'm an old lady, okay? I like this.
You got this on Amazon? Oh.
Hi guys! You probably can't hear me.
My leg is tired. Okay.
I'm thinking of doing the box combo. What did you get? Can I get the 3-finger combo?
Like the lemonade or something?
What's the pound? Do you have high tea on the pound one? Okay, I'll do that.
Right here or no?
Right here.
What's your name?
Tanisha. Tanisha.
Bring it quiet. Bring it.
Okay. Thank you. What drink you're getting? Sweet tea? I think I'm gonna do high C. I love their ice. The ice is pretty cool. The high C kind of tastes watered down, but it's fruit punch. Who cares? But can't wait to try the chicken strips and the dip. That's what I'm most excited for. Ooh, that's me. Let's give it a try. Try this dip. Give it a little taste test first. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I've never tasted something like this before. It's like Cajun. The Cajun dip. A Cajun mayo dip. It tastes so good. Okay, our food is here. And we've done the taste test for y'all. We are gonna eat now. I'll see you guys in the chicken. We did not vlog when we came back yesterday. It was so late. We low-key got lost. The train stopped running, the bus stopped running. Like we almost didn't make it back.